Welcome to Global Systems United, your trusted partner in life safety and gas detection systems. We're a licensed Arizona contractor with over a decade of experience protecting people and property through code-compliant, intelligent safety systems. We provide complete solutions including fire alarm systems, design, permitting, installation and inspection, CO2 and specialty gas monitoring, annual inspections, preventive maintenance, and service calls. Our clients include restaurants, breweries, healthcare facilities, and national retail chains, each relying on us for dependable service and expert compliance support. We are known for fast response, clear communication, and systems that pass inspection the first time. No games, just honest professional service. Let's make your facility safer together.